And brake again, sharp left coming. So brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more. And brake. Watch out for the curb. You like curbs, Trevor?
What?
You like curbs?
I do. This car likes them too.
Yes, good job.
Good morning. I am Trevor with Motion Control Suspension, Operations Manager in the US. We are at the Nürburgring today, though, doing some laps in this fine BMW E92 that has our three-way system in it. The car is working fantastically around the Nürburgring. We did some laps yesterday and got comfortable at the track, and today we're going to do a few more and see if we can get a little better. Davey here is going to do some coaching for me because I've never been here. He's got many laps around here, so it'd be very helpful for him to show me around, and I'm very grateful for that. We'll do some tuning on the car and see if we can't make both me and the car a bit better.
It looks really damp this morning. It's only 10 degrees, so we will see how wet it is and see what the rest of the day brings.
Very excited. This place is very tricky, so it's good to have a coach in the car that understands the place, but it's also a very good place to test dampers, the undulations on the track, the different pavements, and the type of conditions you see are unlike anywhere else in the world. Very nice to be in the paddock and able to make changes like that and make the cars better for our customers and the instructors out here. Scuderia S7 is doing a fantastic job running this event. The instructors doing lead follow are top notch, and it was one of the instructors that we were helping with set up on one of our equipped cars. The way they run this event and the way they bring you up to speed nice and slowly, it's a very comfortable feeling. They've done a fantastic job of making everyone feel involved. It's been a very good time.
Hard braking, little bit braking, left, stay left, right, stay right, aim for the middle, go to the outside, simple stuff. 20% throttle is that I want you to keep 20% throttle to the corner.
Okay.
We have two corners where we always want to be 20% on throttle, that's why I tell you. Straight across before foxhole and after foxhole. Yeah?
Okay.
The car is cold, everything is cold, so...
Take our time.
Yes. When you stepped out of bed this morning, did you thought you need to do a lap on your own? Straight away?
At least not first thing in the morning, no. All right, we're off.
Outside line, turn in, more to the right, and brake again, sharp left coming, so brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more, brake more.
Track conditions are quite sketchy this morning.
Back to the middle, brake on the middle downhill, so brake, 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 brake more, brake more, brake more outside, yes. A little bit of throttle, yes. And here the sun comes through. And brake again, take full the outside. Brake a little bit more, yes. Not too much on throttle. Good, good. Back to the left, stay left. See here the sun, so next it's dry. Brake. Brake more, release, go in, aim for the middle. left. Stay left. Stay left. So sometimes it's still wet, so we do a little bit middle. You already did it quite well. Good?
Yeah, we're good. Track conditions are tricky because some corners are very wet, some corners are plenty of grip, some corners no grip.
Slowly to the outside. After the hill braking. So brake, release, go in. Keep the wheel like this, play with the throttle. Yes, perfect. Brake, release, smoothly on throttle. Good. Small tap on the brake, release, go in. Aim for the blue on the guardrail, straight line, brake, all the way outside, outside. Yes, and now we go in. Now you got it, huh? Super.
These are closer to the lines we were running yesterday. The car still feels very comfortable even in the low grip.
108 side. Tap. Release. Go in smoothly.
Ooh, this shit's slippery.
Yeah, it is. 3 times blind left. So we go in. Keep the speed. 1, 2, 3. Back to the right side. Keep the speed. No braking. No braking. Then we go in. And straight line. Yes, good job. Straight line. And brake. Watch out for the grip. You like grips, Trevor?
What?
You like grips?
I do. This car likes them too.
Straight line. Tap, release, tap, release. In, keep your wheel like this, a little bit more. Yes, nice. Brake. Release, go in, aim in. In. Stay left, stay left. Stay left, stay left. One more.
One more. Small tap on the brake, release, go in, and back to the outside. Brake, more braking, yes, go in, smoothly on throttle, stay right, aim right. Smoothly in, all the way to the outside, and tap. Go in, back to the outside, stay left, stay left. Line and brake, release, go in, small tap, release, go in, keep the wheel like this, smoothly on throttle, and up on the right. This can stay wet the whole day. Yeah.
Back to the right side, small tap, release, and we go in. Get the car straight, and brake, release, go in, aim for the middle, tap on the brake. Release, go in, all the way to the outside, and brake, and we go in, back to the right, back to the outside, stay left, and we go in, straight line, brake, release, go in smoothly, back to the outside, like this, and up on the left, small tap, release, go in, and throttle to the outside. After the hill, small tap, so tap, release, go in, aim for the left, and brake, 125 side, brake more, release, And we go in. Nail the throttle to the outside. Outside, outside, outside. Back to the right. And we went in. Straight line. Back to the left. And tap. Release. Go in. Back to the right. Back to the left. Brake. End of the curve we go in. So in. Let's see how much grip we have. Slowly to the outside. Straight line. Watch out for the curbs. And brake. One to the left. 12% throttle. Inside. Inside. 145 side. Left. And go in. Small tap. Release. Throttle to the outside. And tap. Release. Go in. Stay left. Back to the right. All the way to the outside. And brake. Release. 30. And straight line. Back to the left. Orange barrier. Brake. Release. Go in. Straight line. Tap. 10% throttle. No braking. No braking. No braking. Yeah, good. Brake. A little bit fast. No throttle. Yes, throttle. Good. Nice recovery. Straight line. And tap, release. Tap, release. Go in. Slowly on throttle. A little bit more. Yes. Aim for the middle. Back to the outside. Stay right. All the way to the left. Good job. Tap on the brake. Release. Go in. Slowly on throttle to the outside. Brake. Watch out for the curb. And go in. Stay left. Stay left. And tap. Release. We go in. Slowly to the outside. Stay outside. 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 And we go in. And throttle.
Conditions are real tricky this morning. It's funny, there's grip in certain places and other places there's like no grip at all. It's wild.
Sometimes you went on the toilet and I was like, oh, that is.
Yeah, me too. It was interesting because certain places I was trying it out on purpose, trying to see.
I felt that. To see how much grip you
Just
have.
trying to see, like I would get in there and I felt like we could be a little more aggressive, but still with Herman's car, it was perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The only thing that surprised me is how less you brake.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like to carry speed.
Yeah, I know. I felt that.
And this car's so predictable, even when it does like lose grip, it's not hard to regather it up, you know, it doesn't do anything real
Crazy.
sharp and crazy, so you can kind of toss it in there and sort it out, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I could see you can drive.
Yeah, wow, I appreciate that. I've got a lot of time practicing. Exhilarating, good way to wake up in the morning. You know, when we first went out, most of the track was wet, and as we did laps, it started to dry out. It was interesting to find where you could go, where you could push, and where you couldn't. Certain places were really, really slick, and other places were grippy just as if it was dry, so it was very challenging.
Now we are awake.
It's better than a week of holiday, right?
That's honest.